What is going on, guys? This is Justin from the J Media back with another video. Today I'm here to see my boy Thompson and show you guys something super cool. So we're over here at Thompson's place. So recently sold him the SBC RPF ones and today I brought him some tires. But this beauty over here, if you guys know what this is, one of the JDM icons is an S15 Silvia. We also shot his white S15 Silvia a few months back. The main difference is this one has a motor swap. It's pretty gnarly. As you can hear, it sounds pretty crazy as well. Running on E85 too. So this no longer has the OEM SR20 under the hood. Has been replaced with an RB engine. RB, is it RB25?
Yeah, RB25. I can pop the hood and see.
Yeah, maybe later.
Okay.
Yeah, RB25. So yeah, we'll show you guys like a little close up of the engine bay and all the stuff later. Right now it's kind of dark, so we'll do what we can. But man, this thing sounds crazy. So car's all warmed up. I'm gonna go for a little spin. This thing makes 640 wheel horsepower, which is gnarly. And Thompson just picked up this car too real recently, less than a week. He hit me up. We were supposed to shoot it when it was being dropped off, but didn't happen. But yeah, car's here. Oh my god, the RB25 really does sound pretty similar to RB26. Jeez. Oh wait, your water bottle's on the wing. Okay, big thank you to Thompson for taking me on a little nice ride along at night. Man, this thing, so it's been what, less than a week, just a couple days since you had the car.
Yeah.
And okay, how different I guess would you say it is compared to the other white S15?
Day and night.
Day and night?
Day and night for sure.
Man.
Definitely day and night. This thing pulls like a freight train, man.
Jeez. So okay, I personally, you said 640 to a wheel, right?
Yeah, 640.
640 to the rear wheel. So something of this kind of power, the only car I've been close to something like that is the GTR. But GTR all-wheel drive, different. And this car is way lighter too, so
yeah.
Yeah, I guess later on we'll just get a couple pulls where, you know, he's all warmed up, ready to go. Yeah. Is it on E85?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Brakes loose. Man, this thing just brakes loose. Was that what, second or third?
That was second gear.
Second gear. And Thompson was saying like what, all the way to third pretty much.
Yeah.
Brakes loose. Man,
yeah,
jeez.
very good, definitely brakes loose. Tires are still not warmed up yet too, so.
Yeah, we'll take it easy first and then like I said, whenever you think everything's good to go, we'll give it a little bit of gas. But man, this thing is, all the gauges. Man, this thing's clean, man. Like I said, Takata harnesses,
it's
Recaro
nice.
seats.
Yeah, I like it a lot. So when the car got delivered, it had the stock seats in it. I have to put everything in.
Yeah.
It literally took me 3 hours to do because I was like, what am I doing? But the cover too, I have to replace one of the covers.
Okay.
The cover ripped in half when it was in Florida, so I couldn't even drive the car full throttle because it kept on ripping the cover, so he rigged it up.
Oh, I think I saw you post like, man, this thing is like so a pain to work on, right?
Yeah. And it's something that I hated it.
Jeez. But like I said, I've seen under the hood, but later on, when we get a chance with a little bit more light, I'll just show you guys. For now, just a little nice drive. This thing is pretty loud. You know what kind of exhaust setup he has?
This has a Grady exhaust on it.
Grady exhaust, okay. Borg Warner turbo, right?
Yeah.
That's what you told me.
Like
okay.
S360, 360, I think.
Okay, dang.
I have everything in my notes. I just don't remember on top of my head.
So this car is already built pretty well by the previous owner. He's a S15 hawk. What can I say? Most people are like, when they see an S15, it's kind of rare to see an S15 already. But it's not one, not two, but what, 4 now?
Yeah, 4. Maybe 5 soon. I don't know. I'm working on that deal right now.
It's hogging all the S15s.
Yeah, holding on the S15s, man. It's my dream car.
That's awesome.
Because like it's different. I have ideas of how to build an S15, and of course, when you only have one, you can only build it one way, right?
That's true.
Break it down and redo it again.
That's true.
Having multiples, you can build it
all different ways, different motors with different suspension setups, exhaust setups. Yep.
Yeah. So like one, it's gonna be a V8 swap. This one's an RV swap already.
Okay.
And You know, if I do get the other one.
2J so?
Yeah, 2J. You know,
Ooh.
2J was my first Tuco.
Okay.
It was either gonna be RB or V8, but they end up deciding to do the V8 swap instead, just because hey, it's more reliable and longevity. You know.
That's
and
true.
You break something that's at the parts store instead of trying to order parts from Japan. But then when I saw this one pop up for sale, I was like, hey, I want this one now.
This one is interesting for sure.
Yeah.
I mean, personally, do you prefer the RBs or 2Js?
I haven't driven a 2J yet. That's
Okay. Not in any 2J or just not in a S15?
Just in general. I
In general, okay.
Yeah.
I personally like the RB a little bit more just because how they sound, and I mean everyone's like 2J the world, but I feel like the RBs, RB25, RB26 are not as common, I guess, right?
Yeah.
So to speak.
Yeah, definitely. And here's the thing with that too, because you can't pull as much power out of an RB like you can with the 2J with the amount of money. So
That's
of course
true.
people pick that up with the 2J because it's easier. But definitely RB is better. I mean not better, but it's personal preference.
That's true.
Like, I like both.
Getting best of 4 worlds.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Dang, this thing rips.
Yeah.
Man, like you said, you can kind of feel it break loose a little bit. Man, this thing screams too, man. Jeez. I guess among the S14s, this is the quickest one you have right now?
This is actually the fastest car I ever owned.
Ever? Oh, wow. So typically, I guess, around the what? You said the GTO is pretty, so 400-ish?
Yeah, 400, yeah.
So this one is 200 more than that one.
Yeah.
Dang.
And it has more to go too.
Built block?
Yeah, it's fully built over.
Oh, wow. Is it still a stock trans or?
It's a stock trans, but it's a brand new trans though.
Okay.
It's a brand new RB25.
And they can hold quite a lot of power on the stock trans?
I believe it's around 500-600. I think. I could be wrong.
Okay. Man, yeah, I mean, again, all this is still pretty new to you since you just barely got the car too, but this thing is so much fun. Like, it's an experience for sure. I think what S15s, I want to say they weigh like what, high 2000s? 28. Okay.
I think so. I could be wrong.
I think you're close.
Yeah.
I think you're pretty close.
It's 28 or 32.
I think right around like less than 3,000 if I'm not wrong. Most 90s Japanese cars are around that weight range.
Yeah.
But dang. Yeah. I mean the GTR right along was, I mean again, all-wheel drive, and it felt more, it's a more heavier car. I want to say the GTRs weigh about like what, 33 to 3,500 pounds, so it's way heavier. It feels more sturdy, but this thing is like, you want to have a good time, you know? It's like it breaks loose a little bit, scares you a little bit, but just the right amount.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice, man. Yeah, this thing sounds good. Thompson was saying in Mexico, you know, he'll try to see what he could go up against.
Yeah.
But yeah.
This is a simulator right now.
You been taking this thing out to drive once in a while, I guess? Usually at night?
Yeah, what's the minute there?
So with E80, is it like full E85 or is it flex fuel?
It's flex fuel, but
Okay.
right now I have all E85.
Okay. To get all the power you need. Dang. Yeah, there's a Camaro over here, but looking pretty stock. I don't think he wants the juice. Yeah, but maybe like some Corvettes and Hellcats would be fun, like Thompson said. Maybe against a stock GTR too.
It doesn't win anything.
Yeah. So stepping out of the S15 Silvia. Right now Thompson's gonna pop the hood. So like we said, it does have the RB25. You guys will see that it does have an RB26 valve cover. You might be wondering why. Apparently it's a very common thing a lot of RB guys do. RB26 valve cover, looks great. Huge Bob Warner turbo blanket. Might switch out the intake manifold in the future. I'm sure larger injectors, Mishimoto radiator, bunch of goodies out here.
Yeah, it's a medium 1000cc injection.
1000cc, okay.
What's the method?
Upgraded radiant fuel rail. Yeah, a bunch of, you know, good stuff that, you know, support the amount of power it's pushing down. And let me do a little walk around. So right now it's sitting on the Volk Racing GT7, some old school wheels from Race. Thinking of switching those out pretty soon. This thing idles good. Oh, if you could ever find some Ganadors, they'll look pretty sick too. If you ever find some Ganador side mirrors.
Yeah, good. I want some of that.
Yeah, Ganadors look good.
Yeah, I think I found.
I know, sounds good. Fast. You know what? Actually, while I'm out here, I'll get you just like going around slowly. Just want to get a little rolling clip of it. So right now, I'm about to head out. We're gonna get a little rolling clip of the car. And my Uber car is back. Man, this thing looks and sounds amazing.
Yeah.
One final pull before you head back. So I'm just at end of vlog here. Again, big thank you to Thompson's. He's super cool. You know, whenever he has cool cars, he always takes me for a ride along. Let me check them out. It has been at night, so hopefully the camera can kind of capture a little bit, but we'll have a chance for sure again in the future to, you know, be able to check out the car during the daytime. He also has another cool JDM project coming real soon, an FD RX-7, so make sure to stay tuned for that. Again, if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that little notification bell if you want to know when that new videos are out. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next one.